Hello friends, today I am here by taking the concept of class 10th, chapter 3rd, elimination method, means your exercise 3.4 where you will use elimination method. Firstly, from the name it is clear elimination means eliminate, but in your chapter it means you have to do like this. I am telling the procedure. We eliminate one of the two variables to obtain an equation in one variable. Then you will get one variable's value. You will put in any equation to find the value of other variable. Means in any equation you can put. I repeat, in elimination method, what will you do? You will eliminate one variable from these equations and then you will get one variable's value. You will put that value in any equation. In this manner you will find the other variable also. Now we will discuss about these. Some examples are here. Solve x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 8. To given equation, firstly you will give the name 1 and 2. Firstly, you have to observe the coefficients of x and y. After observing, you are getting कि both are having 1 and y both are giving 1 and minus 1. Yes, I hope you are getting कि whenever I add these two equations, then y will cancel with y and here it will becomes 2x is equal to 22. So x is equal to 11. I didn't do anything, just I added them to eliminate y. Yes, then you got the value of x. In any equation you can put the value of x to find the value of y. But I put in first equation, but you can put in second also, but you will get the same answer there. Yes, so y will remain same, it will be subtracted, y is equal to 3. I hope you are getting. So second question is 7x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. See, here you are getting same coefficients and after adding you got the variables. But now here nobody is having same variable. X here 7, here 3, here y 1, here y is 3. But by observation, can you say if I multiply with the first equation with 3, then you will get the same variable as y. It means you have to make the coefficient of one variable same. However, you can multiply with it. Yeah, you have to make it same by doing anything. Now, I will multiply the first equation with 3 and second equation I will multiply with 1. Why? Because whenever I will multiply with 3, then I will get both coefficients same. So I am doing it. In each term you will multiply here. Means you will multiply this term with each term and with 1. I think there will be no effect on second equation. Now I multiplied. Yes, 7 3s are 21x plus 3y is equal to 15. And in second equation it didn't change because 1 is there only. But after multiplication you were seeing कि both the terms are having same sign. If you add, they will never cancel. So I will subtract now. So for subtracting, I will change the signs. If there is a negative, then you will make it positive. If positive is there, then you will negative. Means you have to alter their signs whatever they are having. Now all the terms are having positive. I change their signs. If any term is negative having, then we will change to make it positive. So now they will cancel. 21 minus 3 is 18x, 15 minus 6 is 9, x equal to 9 by 18, 1 by 2. Then you will put this value in any given equation and I put in your first equation. No need to put in that where we multiplied. However, you will get the same answer there, but we will not make it complicated. So I put here in your given equation, you can put in any one. So it will become 7 ones are 7 upon 2 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 upon 1 we can, plus 7 by 2 will become minus 7 by 2. Now I have taken the LCM. 5 2s are 10. 2 ones are 2, so it will remain 7. 3 by 2. So you got the values of x and y. I hope you are getting. In third question, you have to find x and y where two equations are given. But by observing, you are thinking कि nobody is having same coefficient. How will we make? Yes, you can make to anyone according to your wish. Yes, if I multiply with this equation with 9 and to this equation with 7, then I will get same. Means I tell you, this is very easy. You have to multiply the coefficient of x of first equation with the second and second equations with the first. Means what is the coefficient of first equation is x, 7. Then I multiplied with it second. What is the coefficient of second equation is, this is 9. I multiplied it with first. I gave the name third and fourth. So you will multiply inside and here also. Yes, then you will alter their signs. Why? Because both are having positive signs. So I altered their signs. It will be cancelled. So you will not see these signs now because I have subtracted them. Some plus minus minus. Y will remain same because these are like terms. 11 minus 2 is 9. It will become 7 minus 4 is 3. And here also they subtracted. Then you will divide, you will get y is your 7. Then you got one variable's value. It is very easy. After that you will put in any equation to find this to find the value of another variable. I hope you are getting. This is very easy. Your main motive is to eliminate one variable by making it same firstly. Then you will observe their signs कि they are having same sign or different. If they are having same sign, then you will alter their signs. If they are having already negative and positive signs, then you will add them. I hope you are getting. This is the elimination method.